Morning class, welcome for our today's lesson, 21st May 2020. The subject is biology. The topic is evolution. Presenter, Kennedy Musando. A preview of evolution in simplest form is a comparison of something of yesteryears and something of the current time. Take, for example, the photograph of your mother while she was in class 3 and the photograph that she has just taken in April 2020. A comparison of the photograph will show you that then your mother has evolved, meaning she has undergone a gradual change from a simple life form of what you can see in that photograph of class 3 to a complex one of what you can see right now and current. That is evolution. Topic: objectives. We've got 6 objectives within this topic. Objective number 1, meaning of evolution. A learner should be able to define what is evolution. Objective 2, origin of life. A learner should be able to explain where life began from in the living organisms that are existing. So that is the theories explaining the origin of life. Evidences of organic evolution. Amongst those 3 theories, one is organic evolution. So we proceed with organic evolution and divulge a lot of information about it, specifically about proving that this is the origin of life. Mechanism of evolution, we will be looking at the role that scientists play. Jean D. Baptiste, commonly known as Lamarck, and Charles Darwin, what they explained in relation to the differences in living organisms, or the variation in living organisms of what we are seeing currently and what existed a long time ago. Natural selection in action is now to recollect on one of the theories proposed by Lamarck and not proposed by Charles Darwin about origin of life, and that is natural selection. So we will be able to discuss about natural selection and in the real life experience, or how it is in action. Resistance to drugs, pesticide and antibiotic. Here we are trying to explain possibly why the pathogenic organisms and the pests, why they are tending to resist drugs used against them to clear their effect, that they have developed some resistance, and why is it that they are looking resistant to various drugs that are placed into the market, or various pesticides that have been put into the market to manage them. Meaning of evolution. In simple words, it's a gradual change of living organism from a simple life form to a complex over a long period of time. Tentatively, I've already explained, and when I use the example of the photograph, that an organism is moving from what is perceived to be very simple form to what can be seen to be a complex one. And for these things to occur, it is gradual, and because of the being gradual, it takes a longer period of time. Origin of life. We've got 3 theories that account for the origin of life. 1, special creation. 2, chemical evolution. 3, organic evolution. Special creation theory. What is it? It states that life began with a supernatural being, and this supernatural being is God. In the beginning, this earth was void, meaning empty space. Then God the Creator felt like wanted to fill the earth with the creations. These creations are living organisms. Began by creating plants and created all types of animals, and finally finished with this animal called human being. The one referred to as Adam. Adam was created out of clay. When God felt like wanted to create a creature with image and likeness to himself, molded clay and blew air into it, and there came Adam. Eve, a companion to Adam, was created out of Adam's rib. That is what is within the biblical concept. The life form created is in a perfect form and have to remain unchanged. That is what the biblical concept explains. So therefore, opposed to some of the things that are happening with the human being, maybe activities like tattooing of our body parts and undergoing plastic surgery, because then we are going against God's wish. Because it says that we are created in perfect form, and therefore we have to remain unchanged. And the special creation theory is based on faith, therefore not questionable. Chemical evolution theory. It is a theory based on chemical reaction. It states that the earth was extremely hot, which initiated chemical reactions. The chemical reactions led to formation of simple elements that combine, forming simple molecules. In chemistry we have elements, we have molecules. These simple molecules on the earth, as it later cooled down, the organic molecule were formed. Complex organic molecules were formed, such as sugar, amino acids, enzymes, or lipids. Those are biomolecules of life. The biomolecules of life, therefore, when enclosed in a cell membrane, they give rise to a cell. A cell is a basic unit of life, because life begins from a cell. Organic evolution theory. It states that the present compound organisms or complex organisms gradually arise from simple organisms over a long period of time. So evolution is because of time. Seemingly history, but it must be small changes, slowly by slowly, and taking time. That is organic evolution. And with organic evolution, partly is what gives us the definition of the word evolution. It is because of this then, it looked a bit convincing about origin of life, and therefore adopted. Based on that, therefore, we have evidences to prove that there is gradual changes that have taken place over a long period of time. What are these evidences? The first evidence of organic evolution is fossil records. Second evidence is geographical distribution, also referred to as continental drift. Third evidence is comparative embryology. Evidence number 4, comparative anatomy. Evidence number 5, cell biology. Evidence number 6, comparative serology. And the last evidence, number 7, is taxonomy.